I'm Susan. Today I got a new toy and it's a jelly plate. I've been watching Amanda on Cooking Up Crafts play with hers and I just had to give it a try. She made it look like so much fun, and I've been seeing Tina from Shabbydabbydoodah play with hers, and Gail from Gelli. And I just been dying to try this out, and I finally got the chance. So I'm just going to let you watch and just see what I turn out at the end. So without further ado, let's get started. Granted, this isn't the prettiest papers I've ever seen, but I think it's a good beginning, and I had a lot of fun. I love this one. It's very dark. Now, I would add something to this. I don't know what yet, but it's a great background. Same as with this one. It's just so much white space, but I really love that pattern and the color. This is such a pretty light. Makes me think of the desert. And this was my first one, silver and blue, and I think it's cool. Now this is the when I rolled off of took the stencil off, and it's such a pale, pretty parchment and pink and stuff. It definitely needs something, but it's a good start. And this is just where I pulled up my stencils, but I think it's cool in its own right. Now that's very bright and pretty. It'd be great for fall. Maybe add a little brown or stamp some leaves on there. And I really like that. Now this one's fun, and I love that green. I love how that mixed together. Now this is very dark, but I still love it. To me, this one is kind of elegant in a way, with all of the gold and the pale antique white. And this one's fun. The circles didn't show up very well. I've got to learn how to manage that, but this is a learning process. This is the very first time I've done this. And this is one of my favorites. I love red and gold together, and I just think it turned out great. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Have you tried jelly printing? Until next time, bye y'all.